Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be walking you through how you can install SSL on your website. So in case you have your website or you just bought a new domain or a new hosting and you are having issue with your SSL. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can easily go about it and install a free SSL for yourself. In case you don't know, this video is brought to you courtesy from Mountains Cloud, your #1 hosting company in Nigeria. So without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorial where I'm going to walk you through how you can be able to install SSL on your website. Hello guys, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from Blast channel. In case you just joining me for the first time, please ensure you subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload new video, or so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload content like this. Now to proceed, what I'm going to just do is to quickly just go to my services. Once I go to services, I just click on any part here. So once I click, what I want to do is to log into my cPanel. So once I click on login to cPanel, so it's going to log me in to my cPanel directly from here. Or you can just use the normal cPanel login details you get from your email upon registration. So I can see my domain, my cPanel is actually active, and you can see my SSL is not yet active on my domain. So what I'm going to quickly do is to show you how to activate your SSL on your domain. You can just click here, or better still, you can just scroll down and click on SSL and TSL status. So I'm going to click on it. So I actually held down Control key so that it opens on a new tab. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. You can see it's still not active. So what I'm going to now do is to click on this, just select all, and now click on auto run SSL. So once that is done, you can see it's actually, let's wait for it to finish. Once it finishes, it's going to reload this page. But sometimes there are actually situations whereby you try doing that and it's not given. So once if you have having challenges, first of all, you need to check if your domain is actually your name server is okay. If your name servers are not properly okay, they are not okay, you'll be having some errors here. You can see we are having SSL already has been. Now let's see if it's active. You are going to see it's going to turn on. Everything will be green in color. You can see probably it's delaying. So now for me to what you are going to just do, just come to this address. You can see into DNS. This is the address I actually use. So if you just type this into dns.com. so what we are going to be doing is to check if my DNS to propagation is okay. So once you do this, you check this, it's going to give you the report of your DNS status. You can see it's actually still in process. So when you are having this showing you this, you just need to wait a little for the DNS propagation to actually take place. So once you've tested with this, and you can see that I just got this domain, and you can see this is actually the reason why my DNS propagation is not yet, if not the SSL, if your DNS propagation is not yet complete, it's not going to come up install this for you. So you just need to be patient a little for your DNS propagation to completely propagate before you can do that. So let me try it again. You can see after refreshing, still it's not yet. So if you now another way, if maybe after checking your DNS is okay and it's still not giving you this quickly, what you can going to do, just select all and exclude from AutoSSL. Then now we are going to search for let's script. SSL. So once I do that, I search for it, you can see this. Now I'm going to click on issue, then you can see this. Then on this one I'm going to ensure I tick this. Then after that I'm going to now click on issue. So it's going to take a little while. So for it to, you can see, still because of DNS, the propagation is not yet complete. That is why we actually having this error. Hold, I'm going to go back. You can see there's no SSL currently active. So now I'm going to just hold on it, be patient a little for this SSL to be activated, for the domain to fully propagate. Before I proceed, I'll now show you how to. So I'm just going to wait a little. Once the domain has been fully propagated, I will going to now show you how show you how to, if it has not been added, I will show you how to add it. So let's just patiently wait for it to propagate. All right, you have waited for like some hours, and now I'm going to now proceed to see if to check if my this thing has already propagated. So what you are going to do is to go ahead. You can see this. Just put your address here. In case you want to know, this is what I actually use. This is what I actually use. The address, you just enter it and enter the your website. Once you do that, you just click on OK, or you can just click here and click on generate report. Once you can see, once you've done that, you can see this is actually pointing to Mountains Cloud. So this is how yours is supposed to be. Now, I want that thing again. Once you play, you shouldn't just go. You should scroll down and ensure that this thing is not really, you are not having any part that is marked red, showing some errors that is red. So from this, everything is set for me to now install everything is now set for me to now install my SSL. So now I'm going to now rush and go log into my cPanel again. So once I log into my cPanel, I will just go to where I have my SSL and TLS status. So I can just come here and click on it. So I actually hold Control key before clicking. That's why it's opening on a new tab. So what I'm going to do is just to allow it to open. So you can see on that particular one, you can see it's still having error. So I'll just select the ones I want to install. Just select all of it. All that is having this error. That is because it's supposed to be showing green color. Once that is, so I'm going to click on include AutoSSL. So once I've included it, I will now click on run AutoSSL. So once I click on run AutoSSL, it's going to run it for me. So you can see, you just wait for it to work. So now I'm going to show you how to do this in two ways. You can see using this run, and from here you can actually do that, and you can also do that from this thing, your lesson scripts. So I'm going to show you how to do both of them. So let's just hold on. You can see there's a notification, and within 5 seconds you'll see it's reloading. So you can see now SSL has automatically installed. You can see everything now is now green. What if you don't, after doing that, you're not still have, okay, well, that way you can do that is to come to Let's Script. Just search for Let's Script SSL. Still see it here. So you can just, let me say, for example, I click on it. Already the SSL is already there. So I already have SSL installed on it, so I can't do that again. But if you are having, perhaps after doing that, you're not seeing it, what you are going to just do, you can just come to the list. You can see currently Let's Script SSL is not there. So now what you are going to do, just click on issue. Once you click on issue, you just select this, leave other parts the way it is, just come to this one and select, tick this also. So once you do that, you just come and click on issue. So you just come and click on issue. Once you click on issue, it is going to take a little bit time, like let me say 5 to 10 seconds for it to do, and once you do that, it's going to issue the SSL for you. So that is how you go about the SSL, issuing a free SSL for your domain.
All right, that will be all for now. I believe right now you might have been able to install your own SSL on your website. So this is where I'm going to stop for this particular tutorial. Until next time, bye.